Hi Mini Kit Monday friends. So I filmed my kit reveal video last night for October. And then this morning I got an email from Janet at RTS Scrapbooking. So I'm gonna restructure what you would have seen and show you the deal. So I'm gonna use the basis of my kit with this Fall Blessings kit. It's an Echo Park Paper Company kit from 2015. So I haven't even fully opened it up to, I don't think ever. Sorry about the crinkles, to show you kind of the direction I'm going to be going with. And I have some plans to use up a few things, which is really, really great. So let's see. Oh, all right. So this paper part here has 3x4 cards on the other side, and it's definitely more of a cream-based background. So I'll go like that. You know, all the little cards. Then we've got a really nice polka dot, all of those great fall colors, and another 3x4 card. So it's the other side. I would definitely then be going like so. I do like this arrow right here really, really well. But then again, I kind of like the whole arrow chevron thing. So I'll go like this. And the back side is this fabulous deep, deep green, like you see in the mood board. We've got some great leaves, with the back of that being this really great kind of geometric. And look, if you can see here, see, we've got some textury looking things, a little distressing. Now this one's pulling in a little bit of an aqua, but we have that really great orange there. And we are picking up a little bit of that green vibe. So great leaf print. And this one is a ledger. I love me a ledger. We've got this great little tree print right here, with the back of that being a very deep brown wood grain. Oh, hold on. I want to make sure to be able to show you all of these. Now, this one right here is like a 4x6 cut apart, which is great. I kind of like the idea of cutting out that camera and then these words right here. So we have a nice cut apart. Maybe I'll start going this way. And then we have a stripe on the back side of that. So then, let's see if we can get all of that up there now. And now on the sticker sheet, it's pretty cool. This is, oh, these are just banners. Great, and it's super sticky. We have these great little word cards, some words here. We've got a border, some of the, you know, the fall icons, and then we also have that same really deep brown. We have a wood grain title alphabet, so that's always good to score an alpha. Now this is where things will start to get a little interesting. I went through, I have a fall bin, fall, autumn bin, whatever you want to call it, and I went through and I just grabbed out all of the scraps that I had left over from the last couple years. And I thought I would try to be able to work them in. This is a Cheeky Studio one, Cheeky Studio. So I do have a couple scraps. And I do also have a couple of sticker sheets that are partially used that I'd like to get some traction with. And so I have this one, and then this one was very, very loved. If I could kill it off, I would be happy, happy. Now, to try to get a little bit of that purple tone in, I'm pulling in just a little bit of this Pink Fresh Studio, just a little lovely. So I've got some words right here that work in the color scheme, but the purple color that I was thinking was more of these, and there's that deep green. So we have like that purple color again, and in some of the florals. So I have that, and I also have the puffy stickers with some kind of a pop dot. I don't know what that's from. There we go. So I have the puffies for that as well. I don't know if you've seen them. These are so gorgeous from the Just a Little Lovely collection. Now, once again, I'm really only looking at these really deep purples and, you know, the orange yellows. The tones that are in the kit is what I'm really going to concentrate on to use from that. And the last purpley thing I have is this set of Park Lane They're adhesive sequins, and it's really pulling in that purple color. You know, I don't expect to get a lot of use out of the purples, but I thought I would go there. Now I'm gonna have a lot more little bits and pieces. So I have 2 little tiny wood veneer words from some kit from Once Upon a Time. This one says leaves are falling, and this one says pumpkin spice. I mean, that's all I have from that. I have word stickers from Once Upon a Time that I was working through. I'm sure it's from one of these. Now, I don't know if I'll use these or not. I just happen to have a couple die cuts that were from a hand-me-down. Another word sticker. Sorry, not a word sticker, just another sticker piece. Now from Pebbles here, I have these great little words that are on wood, and there's some fall words like I love fall, but then there's some that aren't, so like friends, hi, you know, be kind, that kind of thing. So cute. I have this absolutely vintage 2006, my friends, rub on word. We'll see if it works. That says October, so that definitely works for color scheme. I've got 2 of the same sets of brads from Cardabella, and yes, I will be trying to use one and then moving on to the next. I'd love to get these killed off, and it's reasonable that I'll be able to kill this off, but we'll see about that. I have this set of clips. I have the hardest time using paper clips. It's Fancy Pants Golden Days, and they're just really yellow gold leaves. Let's see. Oh, look at this. I found more of those die cuts. Like I had the pumpkin ones. They're just leaves. Oh, there's a big old turkey. That might have to wait till November. But unless I see turkeys, we have bands of turkeys. I don't know what like turkeys are called. It'll pop in my head. Anyway, groupings of turkeys. We have them that just walk around here. So I have those. I've got from Hello Fall Cardabella again, epoxy. Well, they're called enamel words and phrases, but super usable for like secondary type titles. From this Pebbles collection, let's see, I have some little rubber charms. They're adorable. Would so love to kill them off. So we have those. Now look at this. I don't even know where these are from. Do they have a year on them even? I have no idea. But if I can tuck them in and use them up, they're vellum stickers. If I can use some of those up in a fall kit, that is great. And then for the A Perfect Autumn, I have some enamel shapes that are right here. They're Echo Park as well. And I know I can use that up. All right, just a little bit more. I did not make my kit too big this time. We have kit reveal Monday and then 3 Mondays after that. So I've got just a couple little tiny apple die cuts, and that's an apple too. So I'm sure I'll end up at a cider mill. We have a lot of cider mills around here. So from Jolie's Boutiques, I have this cute little wreath and these little bits here, and these were from a hand-me-down. Those are really cute. Now I don't know how much I would work these die cuts in. These will be a little bit more secondary, because a lot of times I kind of feel like I want to cut the white around and have to do a lot of fussy cutting, but we're going to see what goes on there. That's from these Cheeky Studio bits is for when I guest designed for Tuesday. I've got absolute random little border sticker. If I can use it, I'll be happy. And then 2 sets of chipboard, Cardabella Hello Fall, so I'm going to have a nice title piece. I've got little coffee cups, little trucks, all that kind of thing. And I think it's just a raccoon that's floating around back there, but I'm pretty darn sure I can kill this off. It's A Perfect Autumn for Echo Park. So that is my Mini Kit Monday kit. I'm pretty excited about it. I think I should be able to get a little bit of traction with it. The kit is not overly large, but it's nice and warm and comfortable and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna start working on layouts, and I'll bring them to you next Monday. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye. So that's my kit that I'm gonna use, but then I'm gonna show you in 1 second the papers that I'm gonna pull the 4 papers and the 4 backgrounds / cardstock and the 1 bonus paper. So give me a second and I'm going to bring you back for that part. One moment. Let me clean this up so I can do that. Oh, and I'll be putting everything back into my little container. I picked these up at IKEA. I don't know how to pronounce it, but on the website it's FJALLA. And, you know, I just have them shipped to me. And the shipping's not bad. It was like $8 or $10, but if I drove the hour plus to IKEA and went in there, I would have spent hundreds. That's my theory. So I just bought 4 all at once, had them shipped, and it was great. Okay, little rabbit trail we went on right there, but I'm going to come back in 1 second and we're going to pull our papers for my 4x4 series. Okay, friends, this is not the easiest thing to pick out the 4 papers, 1 bonus, and 4 cardstock, but I'm getting there. Now this one's pretty easy. This I'm going to just use as, you know, as cards because there's nothing I can use on the back. So I'm going to kind of set that aside over there, and that's kind of going to be like embellishments. Because if you look at this, I can cut out the cute little pumpkin. I like that I can cut out some of the circle around it. I like this little banner piece here. Not necessarily the card, but I like the banner piece. I like this big leafy frame here. So I do like a lot of the elements. I'm not as much into the nostalgic stuff. So we'll see what's what. I think this weekend I might be going to a pumpkin patch. So yeah, there's a lot that I can do here. But long and short of it is, this is getting set to the side because there's nothing else I can do. That makes that easy. Then for backgrounds, I kind of started looking at the backgrounds. Like what's the most basic, but that I still like. And I'm not using cardstock. So I've got this really great ledger paper. Absolutely fantastic for a background, so yes. Then there's this really gorgeous deep brown wood grain. Perfect. The collection came with this solid evergreen color. Gorgeous again. And now I think for my very last one, do I use the polka dots for the background or do I use this orange? What's on the back of this? Oh, okay. So once again, I already have the stripes here. So I'm going to pull out this card one, the 4x6, just to make it easier on myself. Now, let's see. I'm trying to get this so you can see what I have left. I'm leaning heavily towards this polka dot as a background. There we go. Kind of like this. Because these are pretty busy and I want to be able to layer whatever configuration Janet's come up with us on top. All right, so these will be my backgrounds. I've got ledger, really deep wood grain, solid evergreen, and polka dot with everything. All right, so those are backgrounds. So, and I think I better label as I go because it gets a little confusing. Backgrounds. Okay, now I need to pick 4 pieces of paper as well as a bonus, with the first piece being my favorite. Okay, let me put these aside. So my very favorite of these, and remember I have the 2 cut apart sheets to the side. So my favorite for a fall collection, I think I'm going to go with this really, really cute multicolors of trees. So we'll call this number 1. And I need to start my little list here. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bonus is 5. So trees. Yes, I know it's very technical how I do this. All right, so trees are the first. Now, I guess we could do this like going down the line. My next favorite is probably this really great stripe. Let's see, stripes. Let's put that there. That can be my number 2. My third paper, which is kind of nice because I'm running out of paper. My third paper I'm going to go ahead and pull in, I think are these going to be the leaves. And I know I'm leaning across a little bit. I just thought I'd go through this with you. So this is number 3. My 4th paper, I know I've got to get these arrows in because it's gorgeous. Arrows are number 4. And then for my 5th, now I already have leaves in here, which I really like, but I think I need, ooh, that's kind of wonky with my eyes, but I think this is going to be my 5th, and I'm just going to call it, I don't know, it's wonky where my eyes are, 5 and bonus. All right, that is it for my kit. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up according to Janet's measurements, and I'll put those in the description box below in case you want to play along with us, because this is beyond fun. And yeah, check back next week to see what I did with my first layout. Bye, friends.